Hey everybody. So I'm doing a spark plug replacement, and the spark plugs are sitting pretty deep down into a well, and I didn't have any tubing to get the spark plugs in or out, so I drilled a hole into this dowel, and I want to show you how it works. So I'll come over here. This is my Honda CR-V 2012, and I'm going to take this dowel and insert it into the hole and give it a little bit of a push, and then work that spark plug the rest of the way out. And there it is right there. Let me get that spark plug off there for you. And you can see it's quite nice and warm there. So we're going to put some new plugs in there. There's my plug. And of course I just don't want to just drop it down there and destroy the pre-gap that's already on the plugs. So I'm going to put some anti-seize lubricant on the plug first. Get that all on there nice and good. Okay. Probably more than what I need there. Anyways, that'll get it started, and it'll work its way up the rest of the threads as I thread it down. So I'm gonna get that in there. Try to center it the best that I can. So you can see that. Now here we go. Come on over here. Let's get that plug right back into the hole. Notice that I know there's not a lot of light in here. I'm sorry for that. But the dowel fits right in there. I believe this is a 1-inch dowel, so you're going to want to check the diameter on your well before you go out and buy a dowel. And I'm even gonna use this to thread the plug in. I'll know it's threaded in when it stops. That's how snug the fit was on this guy. Okay, there it is. It stopped. Then I just pull it right back up. Plugs in there. Probably not gonna be able to see that, are you? But anyways, how did I make it? It is a 7/32 inch hole. This is 7/32, and then I just widened out the entry using a 1/4. So you should be able to kind of see the step on there. Try to zoom in there for you. But you'll see the step on there. So that means that when it allows me to go over the head, and then it gets snugger. So I don't know if you can see that, but now it's in there pretty good. So that's all you need for if you have the deep wells. Again, if you have some rubber tubing that fits over your plugs, that's awesome. I didn't. I had to improvise. So that's the dowel trick. All right. Thanks, and I hope this helps you out. Take care.